how to create designs such as this in Affinity Photo with a very basic pattern. Let's start right at the beginning. Go to Layer and New Pattern Layer. Now I'm going to go for 500 by 500. I wish that was the default. It always puts it at 32, which is too small for me. And just select the gradient tool and just create with a basic gradient. I was just going for white and also just a grey, not black like that. It's up to you, of course, but I prefer that. So once I've got that, go to the Move tool. Now you can use the mirror option if you want, but I'm going to leave that off for now. And with this pattern, I'm just going to move it just diagonally, reasonably approximate. You could remove snapping. Sometimes snapping slightly gets in the way because you can see it snapping there. I just want a nice smoothish upward motion diagonally. Right. And you can of course vary. You don't have to do diagonal. You could use any angle, any position, make different sizes as well. And you'll notice you've got in the history panel, you've got all these transforms. Well, you can use those. So now go to Edit and Fill. And with that, select one of those transforms. I'm just going to go down there and I've got negation set for fill and history. Negation, you can vary it. This is a bit of experimentation. Sometimes you might achieve something you think, you know what, that works. Sometimes it doesn't. And you can always go and try divide, difference, and so on. You can see as you go through that, maybe go for exclusion. Click apply. You might think, you know what, that's a lovely grid design. I'm happy with that. But you can then go to Edit and again Fill. And you can see then you get that. And again, there, history, exclusion, you might change your mind and go for divide or luminosity or colour. Just run through them and there's a whole range of other options. Maybe hard light or difference. And also you can select these transforms as well. So as you do that, you'll notice a change in the result. Maybe go with that. Click apply. To achieve exactly the same result each and every time is probably going to be tricky. But you can always set up a macro. So create a macro, record the action, and then you'll be able to duplicate this very quickly. And also again, Edit and Fill. And you can see then you've got that design. And you can go through these again, negation maybe, and you can also change opacity. Also change your mind there for the transforms. And you can run through them and create all kinds of different designs. Maybe go with glow and click apply. And you can see you can build up lots of these sort of very odd, sort of padded grid-like designs. And of course, you don't have to stop there either. You can always resize this. So just resize it, then go to Edit and Fill. And now you can see the result, obviously, you've got slightly different there. You can go through these transforms, run through those, and again, change your mind there for difference, and so on. Maybe negation. And again, you've got another range of different designs. And these designs also can be used. So you just move this, and as you do that, you'll notice you've got these transforms appearing here. You can use those. And I'm doing it diagonally, don't have to. But again, Edit and Fill. Just going to use one of those, and you can see design like that. Again, change your mind, saturation, negation, click apply. And you can build up more and more complex designs, or maybe rotate this or shear it. You can rotate it, hold down the shift so it goes 45 degrees, and then go, or 90, and then go for Edit and Fill and create something like that. And again, select a different transform, and you can build up all kinds of complex grid-like designs very quickly using this approach. And of course, once you've got your design, you don't have to keep it as a pattern design. You can always then go up to Layer and go to Rasterize and rasterize it into a single pixel layer, which you can then use for other work as well. Maybe combine it with other imagery as well. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.